My name is Anaya Minifield and I'm a senior nursing major. I love how the OC nursing program operates. After we graduate, we have to take an NCLEX, the National Board Exam, to actually be able to be a nurse. And I feel like OC has done a really good job at preparing us to be able to take that test. We take our prerequisite classes our freshman and sophomore year, and during that time we start to learn and develop our skills. We learn how to start IVs, do Foley, stuff like that we can actually use in the hospital before we are actually admitted into the nursing program. Whereas some other nursing schools, you learn as you're in clinicals, and I feel like it's much better. It gives you more opportunities to practice and to feel more comfortable when you first start clinicals at the hospital. It makes the nurses feel more comfortable with you and that you're competent. So since the Ellis Skills Lab has been built, the juniors and seniors have certain simulations that we have to complete to help us with our clinical hours that we're required to get for the Board of Nursing. And it's definitely helping us be able to think critically and to be able to establish our autonomy as nurses, because when we go to clinicals, we do get to observe and sometimes perform skills on our own, but we're not making any patient care decisions, and so it's a good way to start practicing that for when we actually graduate and are going to be making decisions about what happens to our patients. So after I graduate, I would love to go into pediatric nursing. So over the summer, I was at OU Children's Hospital, and I had the opportunity to follow some amazing nurses and learn so much. So freshman year, I was chosen for the President's Leadership class. I've also joined the cheerleading team this year. I am a member of Theta Theta Theta, and I've been a secretary for the last 2 years. I'm involved in the Black Student Union. I'm an officer this year. I'm also senior nursing class secretary, and I'm also in the OC Honors Program. It's definitely difficult balancing my major and all of my responsibilities. I always just remind myself that I choose to be involved in all of these things, but I always try to make sure my schoolwork is a priority and do whatever I need to do. I think OC is so special because since it's a smaller campus, you are able to get so involved, and I feel really blessed to have the opportunity to be involved in so many things and to feel like I'm making an influence on my campus.